Dear children, welcome to 3rd standard science class. Today our lesson is air. What is air? Air is a natural resource. Without air, we can't live. Some uses of air is blowing balloons, flying kites, making bubbles, filling the ball, and also for living all organisms need air to breathe. Air gives oxygen to us. Properties of air. Air is a natural resource. We can't live without it. It is present around us. It has no definite shape and color. Air has weight and it occupies space. We can't see air, but it can be felt. Air can flow everywhere. Air occupies space. How do we know the air occupies space? Through one experiment, we can know that. For that experiments, we need some materials. Materials require a tumbler, a bowl and water. Procedure: place a tumbler on the surface of the water kept in a bowl. Push the tumbler straight into the water. Now tilt it slightly and push it into the water. Do you observe any difference? Yes, air bubbles come out of the water. So, from this experiment, we can understand the air occupies space. Hot air rises up. Tie a balloon to the mouth of a bottle as is shown in the picture. Let the mouth of the bottle be narrow. Keep the bottle in a vessel containing hot water. Observe it for some time. The balloon expands. Why? Due to the heat of the water in the vessel, air inside the bottle becomes hot. Hot air fills the balloon. Therefore, the balloon expands. From this, we can learn hot air riser. Air has weight. How do we know the air has weight? That too we want to learn from one experiment. Take two balloons, fill air in one balloon and kept in the other balloon as it is. Make a measuring tool using a stick and tie the balloons on both the ends as shown in the picture. Which balloon comes down and why? Do you find which one comes down? Which has air that balloons comes down? From this we can know air has weight. Air moves and pushes things. Light an incense stick in the corner of the classroom and observe. The smoke of the incense stick moves everywhere. The air pushes the smoke. See the clouds in the sky that moves everywhere. Clouds move because of the movement of air. Electricity is generated from wind with the help of the windmills. Through experiment, we want to learn that. Can you remove a small plastic ball from a glass vessel without physically touching it? Yes, you can. If you blow towards one wall of the glass very hard, and the ball will be ejected out of the glass. Look at the picture. One ball is inside the glass. In another picture, he blow hardly, so the ball comes out. Second one, take a plastic bottle and fit a soggy newspaper pellet tightly in its mouth. On pressing the bottle, the pellet will come out with a loud pop sound. Make a paper plane with waste paper and fly it in the air. From these experiments, we can know hair moves and pushes the things. Next one, hair is required for burning. Hair is essential things for burning because without oxygen, no things can't burn. Light a candle and place it on a table. Now cover the lighting candle with a glass jar. Observe what happened. See, look at these pictures. First one, the candle is burning. Next one, they covered with a glass jar. What happened? Which candle is closed by glass jar? That is turned off. From that we know hair is essential things for burning. Hair excretes pressures. When you drink fresh juice, you suck it through straw. We do this with the help of air. How does a straw work? Mix a few drops of ink in half a glass of water. Place a transparent straw inside the glass container colored water. Then place your finger on the top of the straw and pull the straw out of the liquid. What happened? Then remove your finger from the straw. What happened? From this we can learn, while your finger covers top of the straw, the liquid remains in the straw. When you remove the finger, the water flows out. When you keep the finger on the straw, you are listening the pressure of the hair over the straw. The greater pressure of the hair under the straw can hold the liquid inside the straw. Example, ink pillar. Thank you.